Are you looking for carefree condo living in a serene and quiet place? 6 Park Street, Unit 106 is what you've been looking for. This amazing extra large condo with 2 bedrooms and 2 baths is located directly across from Lakeside Park in gorgeous Kingsville. Lakeside Park is a waterfront park that hosts many events, is great to be able to sit outside and watch the kids go tobogganing in the winter, view weddings, and of course, don't forget, you also have other walking trails on the Greenway. You can walk for breakfast at Beach House Restaurant where they have amazing omelets. You can get on to the ferry and go to Pelee Island for the day, do some extraordinary bird watching, or check out the Pelee Island Winery. You're also walking distance to grocery shopping, schools, exquisite restaurants that Kingsville has to offer. There's so much to do around here. Once inside this beautiful unit, you're going to find an extremely updated open concept kitchen, living room, and dining room, 2 large bedrooms with a great walk-in closet, as well as a walk-in shower in the master bedroom, and an extra bathroom as well for any guests that you want to have over. One of my favorite things about Unit 106 is that it walks right out onto the balcony, so you can have a family barbecue if you want to, sit and read a book. It also has a fenced-in yard if you have any fur family that lives with you. This unit and this location is absolutely extraordinary, and there's nothing else like it in Kingsville. For your own personal showing, call me RuthAann Osborne, 226-782-4493.